Como, cook. Hi, Chef Como. Ready to cook something yummy? Oh, Uba, what do you want to eat? Oh, you want a jiggly pudding. Today we're making pudding with tart blueberries on top. Okay, Chef Como, let's cook. What do we need to make pudding? Let's find the ingredients. A sock? No, we can't eat a sock. Then gelatin? Bingo! Jiggly Wiggly gelatin! Do we need milk? Yes, fresh milk it is. What else? A soccer ball? I don't think so. Then sugar? Yay! Sweet sugar! How about soap? Nope, no soap. Some blueberry syrup?
Wow!
Correct! Sweet and tart blueberry syrup. Oh, and some real blueberries too. Yes, fresh blueberries. We found them all. Okay, first we must boil the ingredients. In boiling hot water, add the gelatin. Sugar too. And the milk. Now the pudding mix is ready. Next, let's pick our pudding mold. Find the shape that's the same as the pudding below. Is it square? Oh, nope, it's not square. A heart shape? Or a star shape? That's not it either. Then which shape is it? A flower shape? Wow, bingo! We're going to make a flower-shaped pudding. Pour in the pudding mix halfway. And plop in some fresh blueberries. Then fill it up with more pudding mix. After letting it cool in the refrigerator, you get jiggly, jiggly, wiggly, wiggly pudding! It's time to decorate. Which syrup should we use? Banana? Chocolate? Blueberry sounds good. Finally, the topping. Blueberries, an orange, some chocolate, and cherries. Let's go with blueberries. Ta-da! A yummy blueberry pudding! Dig in, Uba. What should we make next time? Hi, Chef Como. Ready to cook something yummy? Oh, Uba, what do you want to eat? Oh, you want a donut. Today we're making a donut with a strawberry chocolate glaze. Chef Como, let's cook. What do we need to make a donut? Let's find the ingredients. Onion? No, onions aren't in donuts. Then flour? Bingo! We need flour. Butter? Yup, we need butter too. What else? A pacifier? No, we don't need that. Then eggs? Wow, correct! How about corn? Oops, I guess not. Chocolate? Yay! Chocolate it is! Last but not least, healthy milk. Wow, we found them all! Now lay your dough out and roll it flat. Press down with a round cutter to make a round shape. A triangle cutter to make a triangle shape. A square cutter to make a square shape. A star cutter to make a star shape, and we're done! Now, let's dunk the donuts into hot oil. Wow, they're fried perfectly. Next, it's time for some strawberry chocolate glaze. The final step, sweet sprinkles. Which one should we use? Chocolate? Orange? Strawberry sprinkles it is. Ta-da! A yummy strawberry chocolate donut! Dig in, Uba. What should we make next time? Hi, Chef Como. Ready to cook something yummy? Oh, Uba, what do you want to eat?
Uba.
Oh, you want dumplings? Today we're making warm and pillowy dumplings. Chef Como, let's cook! What do we need to make dumplings? Let's find the ingredients. A teddy bear? No, we can't eat a teddy bear. Then a carrot? Yes, a crunchy carrot is needed. How about chives? Bingo! Fragrant chives. What else? A cactus? No, a cactus is too prickly to eat. Then a mushroom? Wow, mushroom it is. How about ice cream? Oh, ice cream melts, so no. Dumpling wrappers?
Wow!
Correct! Dumpling wrappers are a must. And maybe some tofu. Soft and healthy tofu. We found them all. Wow, a carrot garden. Hey, Toto, wanna pick some carrots? Oh, hey, Uba. Can you help Toto? Yay, a carrot! This time, let's get some mushrooms. Woohoo! The veggies are picked! Now let's mix the ingredients to make the filling. Wow, the filling looks delicious! Time to form the dumplings. First, place a wrapper on the cutting board. Next, put some filling in the center. Then seal the wrapper. And you get a cute dumpling! Finally, it's time to steam the dumplings. See you when you're done, dumplings! It looks like they're ready. Let's open the lid. Wow! Warm and yummy dumplings! Dig in, Uba. What should we make next time? Oh look! Gomo and his friends are on the sea. Uba, are you hungry? What? You're going to catch him some fish? Wow! There are so many creatures under the sea. Huh? Gomo caught something. He caught a big mackerel. Gomo, try and catch something else. Wow! Gomo caught a plump shrimp. Wanna go again? What will Gomo catch this time? Oh, a webfoot octopus! Chewy webfoot octopus! Wow, Gomo caught a lot! Good job, Gomo! First, let's cook the webfoot octopuses in boiling water. Next, in a pan, add onions, green onions, red peppers, webfoot octopuses, a spicy sauce, and mix. Yummy webfoot octopus with a red spicy sauce! Now put some olive oil into a pan. And add garlic, tomatoes, broccoli, some pepperoncino, and mix. Then throw in the shrimp. Something is missing. Oh yeah, toasted baguettes. Yummy gambas al ajillo. This time, let's put some olive oil into a pan and cook the fish. Then add some butter and asparagus. Finally, garnish with some herbs. Yummy pan-fried mackerel! Wow, they look delicious! Dig in, kids! What should we make next time?
See you again!